Welcome to our YouTube channel, your ultimate destination for the world of luxury watches and horological wonders. We are thrilled to have you join us as we embark on an extraordinary journey to explore the breathtaking Breitling Superocean Automatic 44. In this captivating video, we will guide you through every step of the way, from the anticipation of opening the box to revealing the hidden gem inside. Prepare to witness the magic unfold as we unveil the remarkable Breitling Superocean. This exquisite timepiece exudes the essence of luxury and sophistication, captivating your senses with its impeccable design and superior craftsmanship. The stainless steel case, measuring 44.0 mm in diameter and 12.6 mm in thickness, showcases a perfect balance between robustness and elegance. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. As we delve into the details, your eyes will be drawn to the captivating green dial adorned with white elements, creating a striking contrast that exemplifies modern aesthetics. The dial serves as a gateway to a world of functionality and reliability, offering exceptional legibility and ease of use. The luminous hands and hour markers ensure clear visibility in any lighting condition, allowing you to experience the beauty of time with utmost precision. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the Breitling Superocean exhibits exceptional durability and corrosion resistance, making it the perfect companion for your underwater adventures. With a remarkable water resistance of 300 meters, 1,000 feet, this timepiece is built to withstand the pressures of the deep sea, offering a sense of security and reliability for those who dare to explore the unknown. At the heart of this magnificent timepiece beats the impressive Breitling Caliber Tech 211, a self-winding mechanical movement renowned for its precision and reliability. With a power reserve of approximately 38 hours, the Superocean Automatic 44 ensures accurate timekeeping and seamless functionality, allowing you to embrace every moment with confidence. One of the standout features of this timepiece is its unidirectional, ratcheted bezel, designed to enhance safety and functionality. Whether you're timing your dive or measuring elapsed time during your adventures, this bezel ensures utmost accuracy and ease of use. The screw-locked crown, accompanied by 2 gaskets, guarantees optimal water resistance, protecting the intricate mechanism inside from the elements. Adorned with a cambered sapphire crystal, glare-proofed on both sides, the Breitling Superocean offers enhanced visibility and protection. The crystal's anti-reflective coating ensures clear legibility even in bright sunlight, while its scratch-resistant nature preserves the watch's pristine appearance over time. Every glance at the dial is a testament to the fusion of form and function, capturing the essence of Breitling's commitment to excellence. In addition to its technical prowess, The Superocean Automatic 44 boasts a perfect balance between style and versatility. The stainless steel bracelet, featuring a comfortable and elegant metal bracelet design, adds a touch of refinement to any ensemble. Whether you're diving into the depths of the ocean or attending a formal event, this timepiece seamlessly transitions from one occasion to another, elevating your style and leaving a lasting impression. The Breitling Superocean is more than just a watch, it's a symbol of adventure, precision, and timeless elegance. Its outstanding features, combined with the legacy of Breitling's craftsmanship, make it a true masterpiece on your wrist. With its remarkable water resistance, impeccable timekeeping, and sophisticated design, this timepiece embodies the spirit of exploration and the pursuit of excellence. In summary, the Breitling Superocean is an extraordinary timepiece that fuses style, functionality, and durability in perfect harmony. Its captivating green dial, robust stainless steel construction, and exceptional performance make it a true masterpiece that stands the test of time. Whether you're an avid diver, a watch enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, the Superocean Automatic 44 is sure to exceed your expectations. We extend our heartfelt appreciation for joining us on this remarkable journey to discover the Breitling Superocean. We hope this detailed exploration of its design, features, and advantages has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration. Stay tuned to our channel for more captivating content as we continue to unravel the world of luxury timepieces and share the latest horological marvels. As we conclude this awe-inspiring adventure, we would like to express our deepest gratitude for your support and engagement. We are grateful for your presence and look forward to welcoming you back to our channel for more exciting horological discoveries. Until then, may your days be filled with timeless moments and the joy of pursuing your passions. Thank you, and we can't wait to see you again soon.